Okay everybody, I got my bucket and my rake. I'm going to go out in the yard here. I raked up all my cicadas. I'm going to clean them up and see if I can fill my little wagon here behind my four-wheeler with dead ones. They're starting to stink. I need them out of my yard. I can't even sit on my front porch without smelling them. So here we go. We're going to do a little quick trip around my yard. As you can hear in the background, cicadas are making some real noise today. You guys can't imagine what these smell like unless you're here. I mean, they're rotting this guy out. Get in there. Hello. Those things stink. Alright, I cleaned the majority of them up around my trees. I didn't get a full wagon, obviously, but I'll tell you what, that's a lot of work of shells and carcasses, and smells like a landfill. So I'm going to take these and get rid of them in the woods, where at least I don't have to smell this many.